Welcome to the BluStar for iPhone client, Module 2. I'll start with the home screen. The home screen has two main functions: setting up and dialing favorites, and setting up and configuring user accounts and BluStar settings. I'll use the Edit button to add and delete favorites. Once a favorite is added, it is displayed on the home screen. I'll cover this in more detail in just a minute. The other function is to configure user accounts and BluStar settings. This is done in the Options menu. I'll press the Options button in the top right corner. The first choice under Options is Login Enabled. Make sure this option is set to On. This is how you log out if you want to turn off the app, so it must be on to be active. The next option is User Account. Here I can add, delete, or modify a user account. To add an account, touch the Add User Account bar. In the Name field, enter the BluStar username. Press the Next key on the keyboard to advance to the next field, or you can touch the field to move to and activate it. Enter the password. This is the same username and password that is used to log in to the BluStar 8000i terminal. On a side note, if the username is logged into the BluStar 8000i terminal and the BluStar for iPhone client at the same time, when that user receives a call, both devices will ring simultaneously. In fact, you can have up to 5 devices or clients logged in simultaneously. For the next two fields, server address and Outbound Proxy, the BluStar administrator will most likely provide this information to you. These fields will accept a fully qualified domain name, a URL, or an IP address. Press the Next key to advance to the next field. When you are finished, touch the Back to User Account button to save the entry and return to the User Account screen. The application will automatically attempt to log in the user you just created. Notice the check mark to the left of the username. A check mark indicates that I have selected this account and this username will attempt to log in. To view the status, I have to return to the home screen. Touch the Back to Options button and close. If the login is successful, you will see a green check mark to the left of their name. I'll go back to the User Account screen and continue. To log off a user, touch the User Account bar and the check mark is removed from the left side of the username. If this iPhone will be used by multiple people, you can add additional accounts by repeating the Add User Account process. To log in as another user, touch that User Account bar. A check mark appears indicating that I have selected this username and that it will attempt to log in. Now return to the home screen to check the status. I'll press the Back to Options button and the Close button. I see a green check mark indicating a successful login. You can modify or review the user account settings by touching the right arrow in the user account bar. The arrow is small and requires a precise touch. Remember, touching anywhere on the user account bar except for the arrow is how you log the user on or off. When you're finished, touch the Back to User Account button. Now I'll demonstrate how to delete a user account. I'll delete R. Ramsey. To delete an account, the user must be logged off. Touch the Edit button. Touch the red circle to the left of the username you want to delete. Then touch the Delete button. I'll touch the Done button and I'll log M. Murphy back in. So that's user accounts.